Welcome back, children. Okay, today we'll go on and continue our lesson Rampuru, a village economy. Okay, see, till yesterday what we have learned. See, land distribution in Rampur, organization of production. Okay, land and natural resources. Right, these all we have learned, right? And the requirements. Okay, first, second, third, fourth requirements. Okay, and today we are going to know about labor for the farm. Okay, labor for the farm. See, as we know that after land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Okay, who are a background of agriculture family, everybody know about that. I think so. Yes or no? See here, the necessary factor for the production. Even land also, land, labor, atmosphere, sunshine, these is all main factors for the productions, and even water. Yes or no? See, as well as labor also very necessary factor. Okay, without this labor intensity in the farming could not be done successfully. Understood? And here, mostly who will be the laborers in the villages? See, as we know that in the villages, who have 10 acres or also more than 5 acres, more than 2 acres, they will cultivate their own farm, right? But who have very less hectares of land, okay, that they will go for as a laborers. And who are landless, okay, who do not have the land, right, those also depending on the agricultural laborers. Okay, who are landless families, they worked as laborers in the agriculture farming sector. Yes or no? See how in the rural areas there is no such of that much work. Of course it's maybe, but mostly the work production is going on in the villages of what? Farming, agriculture sector. Yes or no? So who have the land, they'll go for farming of their land, and they'll hire the laborers and they'll do. And who do not have the land for cultivation, who are the landless, okay, they are depending as a farming laborers. And as well as who have very small quantity of their land, okay, very 1 hectares or 2 hectares, as we read about only Gobind sons. How much they have? Only 0.75, right? Means less than 1 hectare. Yes or no? So those type of people, what they will do? They depend on agriculture sector, and they will work like in a farm laborers. Okay, and for these farm laborers, the wages can be in the cash mode or else in the kind mode. Kind mode is nothing but maybe they are offering crop, whatever done, but that is old process. Some decades back, they usually will be come for work, right? For them, these farmers, okay, who have more lands, right, those will be offer some of 1 bag or else half bag of some grains, okay, they'll offer like that, okay, or else in the cash mode. But of course this is example about Rampuru, but even now in our place also, usually before years, okay, if you ask your parents also, they'll tell, okay, some off bag like a 50 kgs of paddy, okay, they are giving to these workers who will come for them, agricultural laborers, right, for them, or also remaining works who will do at homes also, no? For them all also they'll offer some of the grains after they get crops, right? But nowadays, even in Rampuru, even in our areas, totally the farming laborers getting by cash mode only, okay, getting by cash mode. Of course it depends on the place to place, and it depends Okay, it depends on the craft to craft also. Yes or no? And see, this if we gonna observe the prices of laborers, okay, it has increased widely, so much and so much comparing to the last few years. In our place, I'm telling, last comparing to a few years back to nowadays, it has increased so much and so much. Recently plantation we have did. Yes or no? Recently, it has nearly 700 per male workers, 500, 600 to the women workers. Yes or no? You might have known it, right? See, like that. But it depends on the seasons to the seasons. Okay? See, and some of the laborers will work like a daily laborers, and some of as contract basis. Contract basis. Even in not only in Rampur, in our places also, they'll come for contract basis. They'll take some of hectares. As I told you, some of the other places they have came last year from Bihar, and the before some last years back they came from Nalagunda, the Mahabubnagar, other districts. The people came in the group of people, okay, and they'll take the contract of some acres, okay, and they'll do the work from morning to the evening, okay. Just they'll taken a contract of plantation of some hectares, this much so and so amount, like that they'll contract and they'll finish it off. But some others work as a daily basis, okay. They'll go to the work and on that day they will get back, and the next day they have to search for work again, okay. Yes or no? They have to search for work again. Here in the Rampur, there are very less wages they are paying to the laborers, because the work demand is laborers are more, work is less, okay. Laborers are more. For example, if a person sorry for the disturbance, okay. As you know, in our school, right? Maybe my voice is not reaching at these times. See, for example, 100 rupees, okay. For example, just I have example I'm telling you. For each person, 100 rupees per day work, okay, per day work. Is it sufficient? Is it suitable to earning of a laborer? No. But even though they'll go for that work, because if he miss that work, there is no work also. There is no earning of even that much also. And there is huge competition also. Many workers are wait for the work. Okay? Many workers are wait for the work. Even by giving very low wages also, they are ready to do the work. Okay. And what about the medium and the small farmers and large farmers? Okay, they will hire these laborers, okay, they will hire the farm laborers and they'll do their farming. And instead of these laborers also, they'll go for machines, tractors, threshers, okay, and harvesting machines, yes or no? So by using of that machines also, they are getting their finishing of their farming. See, when they are using that mission mode, okay, when they are using the mission mode, this labor intensity were less. Yes or no? Labor intensity became less. Previously, some years back, even for harvesting also, laborers will go for harvesting even. Do you know that? I think you know about only harvesting is by the mission only. Of course, you might have seen like that only right now. But previously, not only nowadays, only for plantation only laborers are needed. For harvesting, no need. Many number of machines are available for harvesting, and we are cutting with the harvest machine. Yes or no? But previously not like that. Even for plantation, okay, even for weeding out, and after that, harvesting times. Harvesting times after also, many works will be for that all separating of that, okay, and make it out the drying of that. These many kinds of work will be was available at that times. But nowadays it's not like that. Only for plantation work is only done by the laborers nowadays. Okay, remaining all means harvesting. At that harvesting time only it is coming out, which is a filtered one and as well as somewhat a dried one. Yes or no? And after that, if we wait off only with 2-3 days, that is ready for the selling. But previously not like that. Of course it's having a huge work also. And by introducing of these all missions, labor intensity were very less. Yes or no? So that's why even the very low prices also, very low wages also, laborers will be agreed for the work. Understood? See, here they have given about example about Shivaya. Shivaya, one of the laborer who do not have a land. Shivaya, who is Shivaya? Landless labor. Okay? Shivaya is a landless labor. Yesterday we came to know the numbers also. In the Rampur village, how many families large farmers, okay, medium and large farmers. How many families are landless? Mostly the Dalits are landless. Yes or no? So in that, one of the person name they gave here like an example, Shivaya. Okay, he is a landless labor. Okay, total comparing of total 1 year. Okay, he got only 5 months of work. Okay, only 5 months of work. Then remaining time he have to be search for the work, and or else he have applied for the government work. Like nowadays in the villages, if you have seen our Upadi Kuli Hami Pathakam, MNREGA. Yes or no? MGNREGA. I'm sorry. MGNREGA, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural. Yes or no? So they'll apply for that and they'll go for the work of that areas. Okay. See here, Shivaya is landless farm laborer who work on daily wages in Rampur. About Shivaya, this means that he must regularly look for work, because we'll go for daily laborers, right? If he got a today work, then he have to be search for the next day work also. Shivaya's wages are less than what the Uttar Pradesh government has set as minimum wages for laborers. Of course, the government has settled the even wages to the laborers also, but Shivaya got less than that. But even though he have to be go for that work. Okay. See, there is a heavy competition, as I told you, for work among the farm laborers in Rampur. So people agree to the work for even lower wages. Yes, I have discussed with you all this. Okay. And see, here, next, capital, arranging, physical and working. Capital is nothing but amount. Okay, cash. Don't you think that capital city and all? Okay, I know that you will. The terms are different meanings, right? See, capital, physical and working capital. See, for example, up to now we discussed about the laborers. So now we will discuss about the farmers who will cultivate the land. Okay, how they will arrange the physical and working capital will get into know. Okay, how they will arrange the capital, physical capital and as well as working capital. Yes or no? So okay, before going to this, you should think about it. How they will arrange the capital for their farming. How in our places, you know, it depends on small farmers, medium or large. Yes or no? If they are belongs to small farmers, okay, only if they have like our example yesterday we have studied, right, like Govindsons. If they have small farmers, whatever they get earned, okay, whatever the earned yield means crop, that is only consumed by by their family, that is sufficient for them. Okay, and they are not selling even. If they sell, they will get some capital. Okay, that whatever they got the capital, they are saving of that capital and they will use for the next crop. Yes or no? But this is not going to be happen in the small farmers. Yes or no? Whatever they got, they used for only consuming of their family whole the year. So they did not sell any other things, then how they will get earned? They will go for borrowing of money. Okay, borrowing of money from the money lenders. Okay, for what? For investment on the farming. Yes or no? In what way they are investing? For purchasing of fertilizers, pesticides and the seeds. Okay, and as well as for digging of bore wells. Yes or no? And purchasing of seeds. So, and giving to the laborers who have worked and all. Yes or no? So, for that all, they will borrow the money from the money lenders and they will invest. And the money lenders also imposing huge interest, even though they are ready to take that money and they will invest. If they got the profit or not also, that is also very headache for them. After of course, by borrowing that money, they invested. Yes or no? Small farmers, I am telling. They invested. So after they invested, if they got high yield, okay, if they got high yield, by that they can repay the loans along with interest. Okay, but if they did not get yield properly, if they did not get earned properly, what is mean? They are going to the debts. Yes or no? These money lenders will not accept. Yes or no? By if they will not repay. Okay, so that type of stress also felt by these small farmers. Okay, and coming to the small farmers, what they will do, anyhow they have very less land, right? Mostly the family members only, they only will be farming of their all activities in their agriculture farming times. Okay, they did not go for laborers and they did not go for any missions also, because as it is in a small quantity of land, they are just reducing of some amount. They are just reducing of working capital amount. Understood here? And if we go for here, if we go for medium and large farmers, okay, medium and large farmers. Medium and large farmers means who have more land. Yes or no? So anyhow they have the surplus of last year's yield. Surplus means whatever they got earned. Okay. For example, these crop, whatever they got earned, they'll keep some of the bags of grains for them consuming of their family whole the year, and as well as remaining they'll sell into the market yard. From that they will get some earnings, right? That we are calling as surplus. Understood? That we are calling as surplus. That surplus, these medium and large farmers, what they will do is they will invest this amount for the next year crop. Okay, for the next year crop. They use that surplus as their working capital. Understood? And some of the huge farmers, some of the who have a more and more land farmings, right, more than 10 hectares like that, they will invest this money. They will go for even fixing amount in the banks, or else they'll go for building the tanks and all, and they go for, or else development activities like digging the tube wells, or else buying these agriculture tools and machines like tractors and all. Yes or no? So they'll invest and they'll use the surplus as in that way. Understood? See, whatever the amount, okay, whatever the amount we are using for agriculture, right? Okay, for agriculture investments, that we are calling as working capital. Physical capital is nothing but by using the machines and by using the laborers, that all we are calling as physical capital. Okay, don't confuse. Here also they gave example about Savita. Okay, they gave example about Savita. Here, Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on 1 hectare of land. Yes, who are having less than 2 hectares, who are having 1 hectare, we called as small farmers. Yes or no? Here, Savita is also a small farmer. So what she want to do? She want to cultivate her 1 hectare of land with the which crop? Wheat. See, besides seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, she needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instruments. Okay, even for buying seeds, fertilizers, okay, for pesticides, even for buying of water and even for repairing of some instruments. Okay, for that all she needs amount. She estimates that the working capital itself would cost a minimum 6,000. How much it is? 6,000 rupees. Okay. She just estimated about all of these expenses. Okay. And she does not have the money, so she decided to borrow from Tejpal. Okay. She decided borrow from Tejpal. Here Tejpal, who is Tejpal? Large farmer. I told you, no, who are the large farmer? They will invest some of the amount in the banks, or else they will invest in the digging of tube wells, development activities. As well as some of the large farmers, what they will do is they'll lend the money to the small farmers who are asking. Okay, instead of that, they are imposing them. They have to be paid with the interest. Okay, and as well as they have to do the work in their fields. Okay, so based on that all conditions only, these money lenders will give the money to them. This is all happens in rural areas. Okay, but of course nowadays it may not be happen. I think so. It may be. It depends. Okay. So he decided to borrow from Tejpal, a large farmer. Tejpal agrees to give the loan to Savita, 36% annum interest rate. Okay, how much? You can calculate 6,000, 36% annum income interest rate. Okay, which is high rate for 4 months. Okay, Savita also has promised to work on his field as a farm laborer. I told you, right? So Savita borrowed money from Tejpal and she accepted to do the work as a farm laborer in Tejpal farming activities. Okay, and harvest season at 100 rupees per day. As you can tell, this wage is quite low. Yes, Savita knows that she will have to work very hard and complete the harvesting on her own field, the work as a farm laborer for Tejpal. Okay, yes, I told you. But coming to Savita, she have to be maintain all household responsibilities and she have to be repay the loan and she have to go for the free labor for the Tejpal. Why? Because he gave the money. He gave the money for interest, right? For that, and she have to search for the another income. Okay, and as well as she have to be go for her 1 hectare of farming, wheat farming. Yes or no? So these much stress the village rural small farmers facing. Okay, and here all large farmers in the village have tractors. Okay, mostly large farmers. Of course, why they will buy? For farming of their lands. Of course, if they have a 10 hectares or else 20 hectares, they'll go for a new tractor for them, because for the tilling and all, threshing, for all that works, if they depend on any others, that is a very huge amount to give it back as well. So that's why they only will go for investment of the tractors. Okay, and even they'll go for hiring of another tractor also, because they'll give the tenant to the others, right? For something like tenant to other lands also. By that also they'll get some income. Yes or no? By that also they'll get some income, and that is also they're using in that way. Even harvesting machines also. Okay, nowadays many farmers who are the large farmers, they are going to buy a new harvesting machines also. Previously they are investing on tractors only, but nowadays even as well as harvesting machine also they are investing. Okay, after harvesting of their lands, they'll give the hiring for the another lands for the neighbors or also even for another villages also. You might have seen in your places, and they'll send to other places for harvesting. Okay, for that also they'll get the cash. Yes or no? This is another mode of income for them. Okay, and see, surplus or loss for the farmer. Okay, surplus or loss for the farmers. Yeah, I told you this. Surplus or loss for the farmer. Surplus means I told you what? I told you just now. What is a surplus? Whatever the gut yield, whatever the gut earning from this season, okay, that they will keep some of grains for consuming of themselves, consuming of their family. Okay, remaining they'll sold in the market. Okay, remaining they'll sell in the market. For that they'll get off some earning. That is called surplus. Okay, what they will do with that surplus? It depends on the farmers' side. If they are small farmers, they will keep it as surplus for the next season investments. Or as medium and large farmers, they will invest on any developmental activities, like as I told you. Okay, and even they are borrowing the money also, whatever they got surplus. Okay, here they gave example about the Tejpal. Okay, because just now we read about the Tejpal. Okay, so Savita borrowed money from Tejpal. Okay, see, Tejpal, the large farmer, has a surplus of 350 quintals of wheat from all his lands. Of course, what remaining whatever he kept in his house. Also, the surplus what he know 350 quintals. He just sent it to the Raiganj market and he sold out. He got the amount. Okay, what does the Tejpal do with his earnings? As I told you, he may invest in developmental activities, or else he will fix it into banks. Okay, not only the Tejpal, we are discussing about a medium and large farmers. Okay, or else they'll go for buying ambitions. Okay, or else they'll go for giving interest to the others people. Okay, see here. Next part. Here, like Tejpal, the other large and medium farmers sell the surplus from produce. Everybody, even your parents also. Previously the agents will come to our fields, okay, and they'll do the kanta and all, and they'll take out, and after some days they'll return. They'll give the back of amount. Yes or no? But nowadays we are selling to the government. FCI people will come and they'll arrange a place, okay, and depends on the maturity of paddy, and they are taking. Yes or no? See, like that in every place who have the surplus of amount, okay, consumed by the family all the year, and they'll kept aside, and remaining they'll sell it out. That we are calling as surplus from produce. A part of the earnings is saved and kept for buying capital for the next season. So from that, of course, you might have thinking repeating, but the same. Okay, that somewhat they'll keep it into themselves, and remaining they'll sold it off. And whatever they got from that capital, they'll keep it for the investment of next crop. Okay. Some farmers might also use the savings to buying in a cattle, trucks, or set up shops. Okay, maybe the kirana shops, or else maybe any repairing shops, anything which is a need for village holders, right? Like that. Okay, these constitute capital for non-farm activities. Okay, from the farming activities, what they have got earnings, okay, that they may can invest in non-farm activities also. Understood? They may also buy more land also. Their investment of buying more land. These all we are calling as developmental activities. Okay. There is often loss in farm activities. Yes. Loss also. How it is the loss? You think once. How it is loss, you know. Maybe if it is a drought condition, drought weather. Okay. Drought if it is arise. Or as maybe huge rains. Okay. If it is the yield will not get up properly. getting 100 bags of the paddy if he got only 60 or 70. Okay, that is also loss. It's a loss from the farming. And recently what had happened, I told you, in our places, plantation laborers cost is so high. So due to in that reasons also the farmers getting to loss. That much investment is high. It's not a suitable for whatever we got earnings. So of course farmers are thinking, but village farmers there is no other work. So they are depending on the agriculture works. Of course, by comparing that investments and the earnings, whatever they are getting profit, of course is less than from some of the previous years. But even though they are farming, because there is work, okay, and they will get their food also from that SRO. So that's why. And see, especially when crops are damaged because of floods and pests, etc. The other risk is sudden fall in the price of agriculture produce. Yes, if it is a sudden fall, okay, if it is a sudden fall in the agriculture produce, that is also loss. In such situations, farmers find it difficult to recover the working capital that they had spent. Yes, for recovering of the investment also they might have get not back. Okay, they fall into debts at that time. They borrow from other lenders. So they did not repay for whatever they got. So they fall into the debts. Yes, sir. I'll continue.